we are water wise, so you may get wet. If you want to take photo or video, please take careful of your electronics item. And open one page watch your children. First thing here, remember you need to mix it and keep your hand, arm, and leg inside the bowl. Okay, now see the left hand side that way. See it. Wow, that's perfect, right? Okay, that's the bank. Okay, just make sure you have listened to me. That's great. Whole body has listen. Okay, now hands up guys to draw. And the other side, right hand side. Oh, hi. Just want to hello. Bye bye. Okay, let's go. Now we are on the longest river on the world. It's more than 4,000 kilometers. But don't worry, I know it's your chance. Now I'm at the entrance for the jungle. You see the face? Elephant, left hand side that one. The mother and baby elephant, they come down the way first, take a back. They're so cute, right? It's the mother teacher. Little girl, he's shot now. And the other side, when you come every day, and the elephant taking a shower. Yeah, that way. You know, wow. Oh, that's very dangerous. Okay. Oh no, that one is big trouble. It's mother elephant. Oh, wait. No. Oh, okay. So you want to try again? Okay, let's go faster. Okay, okay, go the other side. Now enter the old temple in the temple. Here you find the largest spider. That one. They can jump over 50 feet, but don't worry, we only have 10 feet. If they will jump over. I go to your right now. Yeah, let's see. Now we have the elephant Parkineer. He's come from India. Yeah. And stick up hotel here. The tower stick of curve and king of curve. Yeah. Left hand side, what you know with the door move. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Incredible crocodile here. Oh no. That one up now is so hungry. I think that one have a lunch now. Yeah. Remember long and now in you know you call it crocodile, but they will call you lunch or dinner, right? And over here, yeah, and the best woman is going to enjoy the campsite here. And I think there's some unexpected company now. And many people will not go inside what they're doing now. No, because they hear the last one have a gun. Yeah, the bad news they good shot, but don't worry, the good news they just had a butter of gunpowder. Yeah, not my fault. Okay, one way coming here, extra safari, and mankind. Oh, that's wonderful. Have a seaman, dwarf, and elephant. And left hand side is elephant. He is second most first animal in the jungle after elephant. And the Hawaii, that's very strong. And not the one. Yeah, that way the other side. His mother is Knott. Oh, somebody underwater. Look. Hippo. We entered hippo now in a very bad. I think we will see now. Oh no, they will take my gold. Yeah. Oh, another one. And can you smell something, right? And then they keep their teeth. Ooh. Okay, here other good explorer here. Oh, I remember that last one I bought. I'm so sorry, I forgot to remind you. Yeah, everybody still want to know, right? If they remember, don't argue with it, okay? If not, they will get your point to us. But I think we come up and you still have many more schools. Right here is a hunter territory. Yeah, we need to then just place to live. And we need to keep quiet, okay? Oh, I think it's later. Can't you listen something, right? Oh no, get out. Okay, that's it. Okay, save it now. Yeah, everybody okay? Someone get home and train your body to get the person driving. Yeah, put it out and do it back, okay? Remember, don't take to home. Because we know please over here. Okay, don't worry, I'm fine to go over there. Yeah, maybe a lot over that way. Now we can live and nothing can stop us. So, hey, check that. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, don't worry, I'm fine the other side. Let's go. Okay, that's fine. I'm fine the exit again. Don't worry. Oh no. Oh no. We can't come in. Let's return. Hey, we have to. Oh, too late. They found both sides. Now we can't live. Hey, but we can cannot. is supported by fire god. Oh no, it's very hungry. Oh, I can't believe the fire is coming right now. Hold on, wait a moment. I want you. Oh, what happened? I can't. Somebody did. Oh, there's a magic. Yeah, my phone is moved to exit. I don't know what happened. Okay, I'm ahead of the side. And my friend is waiting. Oh, hi. The friend, baby elephant. Yeah. Okay, just a few minutes, then we can leave. Our last moment to take photo with baby elephant. And then keep your hand inside the bowl. Yeah, be careful your hand, arm, and elbow. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Be careful. Yeah, sorry. Okay, hello sir, be careful your elbow. Hello, excuse me sir. Yeah, be careful. Thank you. And say goodbye to baby elephant now. Bye bye. Yeah, I will see you later. Yeah, around Parkineer. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, now is the end of our trip. Just a few minutes. Let me stop my boat. At the end, if you enjoy this trip, remember I'm your skipper. You can. If you don't worry. Just forget it. Okay. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1.